The second part of section 4.2, we have the notes on page 77 and the assignment on page 78. We are still discussing linear versus nonlinear from a graph, but we're going to include a few more things. We're going to determine if the graph is a function or not, and whether it's linear or nonlinear, and then are the graphs increasing, decreasing, neither, or both. So here we have one graph, and we can see that it is a function. Each x value, each input, has exactly one y value or one output. It's nonlinear, it's not a straight line, and it is increasing because it's going up from left to right. Here we also have a function. It's nonlinear and it is increasing. Here we have a function. It is linear and it is increasing because it's going up from left to right. We have about 6 more. So this one is a function. It's nonlinear and it's both increasing and decreasing. Here we have our equation, our line right here. It is a function. We know it's linear because it's slope-intercept form. It's a straight line. And it's neither increasing nor decreasing because the slope is 0. Here we have an oval that's been graphed. It is not a function because it hits at more than one point if we do the vertical line test. So there's more than one output for each input. And because it's not a function, we don't need to worry about the rest. Here we have a vertical line. It's not a function, so again, we don't need to worry about the rest. Here we have a sine wave, and we have a function. It's nonlinear, and it's both increasing and decreasing. And the last one that we have here is a function, and it's linear, and it's decreasing because it's going down from left to right. So let's take a look at the assignment, and it looks pretty much the same as what the notes say. Determine whether the following are A, a function, B, linear or nonlinear, and C, increasing, decreasing, neither, or both. So as we look at this, you can write down A, B, and C. And we'll look at the bottom part here. We've got a little bit more. So there's 8 problems. Let me know if you have any questions.